Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to be talking about Sumfest and closing out Sumfest, because you know closing out Sumfest is a big deal. Okay, the greats have closed out Sumfest Dancehall Night, and it was a ginormous deal. So it says closing Dancehall Night, now known as Festival Night 1 at Reggae Sumfest, is at top of the list of things many dancehall entertainers hope to accomplish throughout their careers. The feat has acquired a certain prestige, and music lovers usually wait with bated breath to hear which top act will bestow the honor. However, in recent times, there have been noticeable decrease in anticipation levels. When it was announced earlier this week that members of the Six would be closing Dancehall Night, some social media users, like they did last year, expressed that closing isn't a big deal anymore. But while it may seem like interest in closing acts has been dwindling, organizers are singing a different tune. CEO of Downsound Entertainment and chief organizer of Reggae Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich, said that fans, artists alike, are still very interested. It's a very big prestige to close the show. Not everyone can do it, I'll tell you that much. It's a really big prestige to close a show. Not everyone can do it, I'll tell you that much. If you see a whole lot of fans coming in late Friday night to see their favorite acts, or we see fans there early, they don't leave, then I will answer any question people have about whether or not closing the show is still a big deal, he said. If people stay in for the Six, we will know people still think it's a great thing to close the show at Sumfest. Bogdanovich also explained that there is changing of the guard in music. He lamented that while some person will not take on the approach he and his team have been taking the last few years in terms of closer, fresh acts also need the opportunity to show their talent and what it takes as well. New artist Raging King was the first time Reggae Sumfest break out a new artist out of nowhere. After what he did at Reggae Sumfest, he was getting calls from people interested in him from all over the world, and we feel very good about that. We at Sumfest are very big on giving the youth the opportunity to shine. We can't have the same people closing the show every year, he said. I think people that see the Six, and it won't just be because they're from Montego Bay. These young acts are a new kind of beat, and they're bringing something fresh to Sumfest stage. They need to be given a chance to show that they will be just as good as some of the acts people believe should close. Some of them artists are not really closing artists, but how you know if you not give them a chance? We veterans can close the show for all of our life. Me can't be the man of the moment for 26 years. The man of the moment can come every 4 to 5 years. Someone else have to rise, he said. We can close, we're not afraid to close, but we have some people that beat down some fence right now, and we have to give them the chance. The artists, them from Mobile, bad, you know, especially TJ and my artists that. The Six, them have some bad lyrics. Me not see them perform a lot, but them no have to prove nothing. Them just need to come do what them have to do. Only person them have to prove something to is themselves, and say them worthy to be there. And that's Beenie Man talking about closing. As you guys know, Beenie Man closed Reggae Sumfest, and that was a big deal. He did a great job. Beenie Man is an outstanding artist. Not consistent anymore, but he's an outstanding artist. He's been in the game for a very long time, and he deserves his props, and he knows exactly what he's talking about. Honestly, I don't think Six is someone I would want to close Sumfest. But then again, they're newcomers, and Montego Bay are them place, and the only way to prove themselves is in their own backyard. That love and support them. And you know how Jamaican people stay. If your song don't sound good, it just don't sound good. If it's not popping, it's not popping to Jamaican people, and they're not gonna cut any corners and pretty it up for you either, and that's the harsh reality. So if you do a good job, you do a great job, and you get props and calls and gigs and more shows. But if you do a terrible job, your career is going to plummet downhill. Big up to 6. He did a great song with Vybz Kartel. He and Voice Cartel also put out another song yesterday. So he's doing his thing as far as the artist is concerned. Now, as you guys know, I'm not review no man song for my channel for 2019. It's all about woman. Any song women do review upon, it has to be featuring a woman or a woman they sing a song. Me tired to see a man in a dance hall. Me tired, I wanna know. Sorry, not sorry. Anyways, comment what you think in the comment section. Do you think 6 is a good pick for closing Reggae Sumfest? Do you think he's going to sink or swim? Do you think he has the catalog to close Reggae Sumfest? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.